Gravity SMTP gives you the ability to reliably send emails from your WordPress website and integrates seamlessly with trusted SMTP providers and API-based services, including Brevo. In this video, we'll show you how to get up and running with Gravity SMTP and Brevo so you can start sending and tracking emails from your site. If you've never used Gravity SMTP before, be sure to check out our introduction video, linked in the description, before continuing with this video. From your WordPress dashboard, head to the Gravity SMTP settings and select Integrations. Next, open the Brevo settings and use the on-screen link to log into your Brevo dashboard. From here, you can select Generate a new API key to create a new API key that you can use to integrate Brevo with Gravity SMTP. Be sure to copy the key down and save it in a secure location. Then head back to your WordPress dashboard and enter the key in the API key field. Next, enter your default from email and choose whether or not you want to force the from email. If force email is enabled, the default from email address will override other plugin settings for all outgoing emails. You can then enter your default from name and choose whether or not you want to force the from name. Then save your settings and use the toggle to connect Gravity SMTP with Brevo. Now that I have synced Gravity SMTP with Brevo, I'm going to submit an entry using my newsletter sign-up form and verify that I receive a notification email sent using Brevo. If I head to the email log, I can see a list of emails that have been sent using Gravity SMTP. Here, I can look at the email log details and see that my notification email was successfully sent using Brevo. I can even select View Email to review the email in its original format. It's that simple. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to let us know. And for more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.